Hello everybody, and welcome back to another video. Well everybody, it's that time yet again. I am so excited for this and I can't wait to get into it. There's really no more thing to say really. I'll tell you more about it once we get it open, but I am so incredibly excited to open this. So that without further ado, let's get it open. This is another delivery of, yes, silver, but it is slightly more exciting. I will say that much. It is a bit more exciting because it's actually a bit of a first for me in terms of the silver world. This is actually something different to what most silver stackers would expect, and I'm really excited to see. Oh, it's very well packed. Goodness gracious. Shout out to the seller. Lovely member of the Silver Stackers Forum. Oh, this is going to be a bit loud. Sorry for that. This is probably breaking your ears. Yeah, let's cut once I got the tape off. Well, we're back. That was extremely well packaged. We've got a mountain of tape here. Let's get rid of that now. But I have to give you pros. This is very well packed. When they told me it was going to be well packed, I was not expecting this. We've got another packaging with more tape. Oh. Yeah, I'm just not going to go through all the tape again. We're cutting straight through. I've got to be careful, but we're cutting straight through. We'll just cut along the top. Oh yeah. I'm really excited to get this one open. I'm actually probably more glad that it's this well packed than I'd rather it be this well packed than not well packed, because when you're buying things you definitely want them to be safe. So I mean, it may be a little bit annoying, but I'd rather all this effort than a damaged product. So pros to you guys that are packaging your stuff this well. Holy guacamole. Okay, we're cracking into the... Oh my goodness. Oh, yeah. Okay, now we're in. Oh, nope, another one. Another one of this. Another couple of these things. Okay. We're still not in. Okay, this whole video is just like a how to package a thing extra. There's another thing. Oh my goodness gracious. I can see it. I can see the remnants of the product. We have to be there. I'm not even going to bother with the tape. We're going straight through the bubble wrap. Straight through the bubble wrap, I tell you guys. Straight through the bubble wrap. Talk about well packaged. This is like Christmas morning, except all of my presents in one go. Oh, I can see it. I can see it. Okay, we're here. I mean, it builds up the suspense for sure. Are you guys ready? We snipped the last bit here. By far the biggest unboxing I've ever done. There's more tape. Okay, come on. We're nearly there. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. Woo! Look at this beauty here. Coins of the 20th Century Milestones kit from the Royal Australian Mint. Royal Masterpieces in Silver, 1998. That's right, everybody. I bought a numismatic piece. I bought a numismatic set, you know? We're paying actually paid a really good price for this, so thanks to the seller. But wow, oh wow. Masterpieces in silver. Coins of the 20th century. Here we go, everybody. You're going to get the first look. I swear to you guys, you can tell by the packaging I did not already unbox that. Here we go. What does it look like? There's more packaging! Okay, you first look. Are you guys screaming? Is it great? Whoa, holy moly. Would you look at that? The Masterpieces in Silver proof set. Holy guacamole. Holy guacamole. Well, here we have it. This is incredible. I'm absolutely stunned. I'm actually going to start with this certificate of authenticity / booklet here. What have we got? Oh, that's nice. It's some information about all the different coins. Oh, that's great. You get to see everything about it. Oh, this is the exciting bit. The certificate of authenticity. Number 13,354 out of 15,000. There are only 15,000 of these in the whole entire world ever minted. That's got to be worth something. Wow, just the fact, not even the looks or anything, it's the actual fact that this thing is one of 15,000. The American Silver Eagles, millions minted every year, but wow. Okay, so the whole idea about this is it's celebrating all the masterpieces of coinage throughout the 20th century. It is a proof set, so I don't think you usually take the stuff out. Oh, I have to see. Okay, scratch that. So we have, let's just put them back in the general area. So most of them are actually commemorative florins. So we do have the Royal Visit florin, I believe. The one with the kangaroo, you guys know that one, from 1954. Beautiful piece there. We have the traditional 20-cent coin. If I can, oh, you can get them out, you just press them. We have the, oh, lighting's not very good. We've got the 20-cent coin that is currently in use as well. I will get a closer picture so you guys can see. We have, oh, this may be the Royal Visit. This makes a lot more sense if it is the Royal Visit. The Royal Visit commemorative one there, I actually have the florin version of that. We have the United Nations 50th anniversary, the 20-cent commemorative. We have Centenary Victoria Melbourne. Oh, yep, this is another florin. Beautiful. Again, you guys will get to see these all up close. Yep, another florin one. Beautiful. I'm not complaining. These things are incredible. And then we have the very first design of the florin, which was the 1910, and then the newer one, which they changed to in 1938. Wow, these are spectacular. I will give them that. Oh, I forgot the main one. So the ones I just showed you were all based off the 20 cent on the obverse, or on the other side. This one is a medallion with the 50 cents. Would you look at that? It's based off the 1 crown coin. Oh, this is so much more exciting than I thought it would be. Wow. Well, here we go, guys. I'll show you guys up close so you can get a better look at it. Hopefully it should be a good shot. Masterpieces in silver. If I can manage to open this, sorry for the bad camera angle. There we go. Look at these amazing bits of silver. So we've got the original florin design, the updated florin design in 1938, this kangaroo florin, commemorative florin from 1954, the regular 20-cent coin, what I believe is the Royal Visit commemorative coin, the United Nations 50th anniversary coin, another commemorative florin, and once again another commemorative florin with the 1 crown in the center. So all of the 20-cent coins, which surround the outside are 13.36 grams of pure or 99.9% silver, and the 50-cent one in the middle here weighs 36.31 grams and is again 99.9% silver. So in all, this is about 4.6 ounces of silver. So adding quite a significant bit of silver, as well as the amazing proof piece and collection, I'm just absolutely stunned that this is one of 15,000 in the world. As you can see here, the mintage number is only 15,000. This is really quite spectacular. I'm very, very happy with this purchase. As you can see, we have everything about the different coins in here. So that is the common day 20-cent coin talking about, just past the United Nations. This is the Royal Visit. The kangaroo one is the Royal Visit. I was right originally, and then I corrected myself. Then this is the Nation's Jubilee. That is the one that I named as the Royal Visit. You have to say, it does look like it's a royal thing because it does have the sword and whatever that thing is called with the crown. I made an educated guess. Then we have the florin there. We have the crown. Oh, that'll be interesting to read about. We also have the centenaries. Centenaries in the south. Sorry for that. That's the one up the top there. just finish it off with the Parliament House, a new focus. That's the Parliament florin up the top, and Coinage for a New Nation. That was the very first florin. So an absolutely stunning set. I'm extremely happy with this, and I'm really, really glad that I managed to find this. I was just scrolling through the Silver Stackers forum, and this was up for a really good offer, actually, given that it was only minted 15,000 times. So a big thanks to the seller. They did wish to remain nameless, but you know who you are. Thank you very much. I appreciate the extra packaging. I know it kept my item safe, so thank you for that. I'm blown away by this. That's all for now. I think we'll cut it off here because I know it's been a really long video. Thank you all very much for watching. I sincerely appreciate every single person watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to Investing for Kids there. That's it for today. Wow, what a stunning piece.